Welcome to qnawire.
Well, let's consider a circular coil which is a radius equal to 2.40 centimeter. Let A be the radius of the coil, and radius of the coil is equal to 2.40 centimeter, and number of turns in the coil is equal to 800 turns. Let's do part A. Well, first we need to find the current in the loop such that the magnetic field at the center of the coil is 0.0770 Tesla. Well, the magnetic field due to a loop of radius A at any point x on axis of loop is given by, so magnetic field on axis of loop is equal to mu naught times n times I times a square divided by 2 into x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. Well, at the center of the loop, x is equal to 0, then the magnetic field becomes mu naught times n times I divided by 2 times a, right? And solving for I, electric current, I is equal to 2 times a times magnetic field along the axis of loop divided by mu naught times n. Now let's plug in numbers. 2 into 0.024 into 0.0770 divided by 4 pi times 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by 800. So electric current is equal to 1.368 ampere. Now let's do part B. Here, let me scroll down. Okay, now let's do part B. Well, now we need to find at what distance x from the center of the coil on the axis of the coil is the magnetic field half its value at the center. Well, at a distance x from the center, the magnetic field is given by B. Magnetic field is given by mu naught times n times I times a square divided by 2 into x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2, and this is equal to mu naught times n times I divided by 2a multiplied by a to the power 3 divided by x square plus a square 3 by 2. But magnetic field at the center is given by mu naught times n times I divided by 2a. Therefore, Bx is equal to magnetic field at the center times a to the power 3 divided by x square plus a square to the power 3 by 2, right? Now, we need to find x such that the magnetic field at x is half of the magnetic field at the center, and therefore B along x is equal to half of magnetic field at the center. Now comparing, we have a cube divided by x square plus a square 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, right? And simplifying this, we get x squared plus a square whole cube is equal to 4a to the power 6, right? And solving for x is equal to root 4 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 into 2.40 centimeter, and that is equal to 1.84 centimeter.